Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine, enjoying your vacation. But now we have to proceed our work, and today I am with you class 6 E1 unit 1 lesson 1 where we live now. In this chapter we are going to study about the emails. So they have started email with the from Sarah, from, to and subject. The word from means sender, the word to means receiver, and the subject is on which we are writing an email. So in this email, the Sarah is writing an email to Riba about the London greetings, and she has started with, hello, I am attaching a photo of Big Ben, the famous clock on the Houses of Parliament in our city, capital city London. London is famous for its red double-decker buses where you can sit upstairs as well as downstairs, and for its black taxis. 10 million people live in London. We are a multicultural city with people from every corner of the world living here. You can buy and eat food from all over the world in our markets and restaurants. We often have pop concerts with thousands of people in audience, and the city has many theaters and cinemas. So इस पैराग्राफ में हमें बताया गया है द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ लंदन कि लंदन की पॉपुलेशन कितनी है, उसमें कल्चर्स कितने हैं, एंड द पीपल आर कमिंग फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर इन एवरी कॉर्नर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंड वर्किंग हेयर. Okay, London has world famous art galleries and museums and many historical monuments such as Nelson's Column in Trafalgar Square. We have the River Thames with its many historical bridges winding through the city, and we have beautiful green parks and gardens where we can relax beside and a lake or a pond. There is an astounding variety of trees in London's green space which blossoms in spring and turn gold and red in the autumn. Okay, you have seen that they have told everything which they like. Okay, in a second email it is about Moscow. As I told you that the sender, then receiver, and a topic on which you are writing. So here Igor is writing to Hassan, from Igor to Hassan. Privyet, here in Moscow we have beautiful ancient churches and cathedrals as well as the famous fortress of the Kremlin. The churches have brilliant golden domes which are very bright in the winter sunshine. In Red Square we have St. Louis Cathedral which was built in the 16th century. It has 8 domed chapels, some square, some octagonal, each with a multicolored exterior. It is a wonderful sight. We have world famous art galleries where you can see beautiful Russian portraits and landscapes with their characteristic beech trees. Again, कि उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा एडमायर किया है अपने सिटी को, एंड दे हैव टोल्ड दैट इट इज़ एन एंशिएंट, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट हैज़ मेनी चर्चेस, cathedrals, tombs. Okay, so it is about the Moscow. Another paragraph, what is written? In winter it is many degrees below zero in Moscow, means the weather is cold. We have deep snow for months and the Moskva river freezes over. The worst time is at the end of the winter when the snow starts to melt and we have to walk through deep, wet, dirty brown slush for several weeks. Okay, so this is about the first para is that they like their Moscow, but in a second para they have told that we face some type of these type of things that it is quite cold and they have to move here to there. Okay, so in email we write about the cities. So it is all about the email. Okay, so we have to write something about the good things, some good things and some bad things. Okay, now it's your turn to write the email of your city, your country, your favorite place and which you like the most. Okay, thank you so much.